Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes GLA. Absolutely fantastic colour, brilliant price range, good specification. Paintwork's in lovely condition, beautiful alloy wheels, they're in lovely condition. Rear privacy glass. Really is in lovely condition, this car, its age and mileage. Electric boot. We do have the parcel shelf, it's only just been valeted, so we've got to put that back in. Now this is where it gets nice. Look at that lovely contrasting interior. Last one of these we had absolutely flew out. Last two of these we had with this contrast interior. Looks lovely. Don't get mainly with the light interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Auto headlights. Cruise control. Just start it up for you. It's done. Let's have a look at the mileage. 62,414 miles. It's got satellite navigation. It's only flicking because of the shutter speed. It doesn't flick. Media pack, Bluetooth telephone, media pack there. Air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, armrest, USBs. It's great value for money. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.